Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. I'm Muhammad from moslehischool channel. In this video, I want to show you how to check the battery health of your laptop in Windows without any software. It's very important without any software. It's easier than you think. Stay with me and don't forget like and subscribe.
In the Start menu, type CMD and right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type powercfg/batteryreport and press Enter. This command generates a battery report and saves it as an HTML file. This report saves in the System32 directory in the Windows directory. Great! Let's go and open the generated file. The report contains detailed data about the condition of your laptop's battery, including its design capacity, full charge capacity, and recent usage. Well, now we can use this formula to calculate the health of the laptop battery. Divide the full charge capacity by the design capacity and multiply by 100. Well, the number obtained is the health of the laptop battery. Great! Thanks for watching.